Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new daily update on Ethereum. In this video we'll take a look at the technicals and fundamentals and basically everything that can happen with Ethereum. That's what we'll talk about, and I'll try to explain that as thoroughly as possible. But before we get into Ethereum specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results, basically everything you need to know. All right, but now onto Ethereum. So we've been we opened today fairly bullish, together with the entire market. Overall, we've been holding very strong, right? So right now you can we have this entire support level between 2025 and 2075 as our support, and that we're now holding on solely the 28 EMA, which is that blue line. And the upper bound of that support level at around 2075 is in itself a bullish confirmation. Now, apart from that, I mean, the dollar strength index is also relatively bearish. It's been bearish for a while now, obviously, since, for over a month. But it's also on the short term, it's falling still. So overall, my sentiment, and I also think the market sentiment on Ethereum is bullish. Now, even though it's bullish, I do not think at this point of time we are bullish enough to get towards 2200. That has been our main price target, 2200, 2225 at this trend line. But this week, I mean, even though Ethereum is strong, it's holding its support levels, right? But the volume has gone up quite a bit as well. But if we compare that volume with last week, for example, it's just not the same. And perhaps that will still come. That's a possibility. Monday, Tuesday is still kind of the opening of the market, but I'm not sure. We don't have this week a lot of catalysts that could really cause something like this. I mean, last week we obviously had the Shanghai upgrade. We had some economic numbers coming out. So that was all great, but this week we don't have a lot. We have the building permits today. We have jobless claims on Thursday, but that's about it. So I think it's actually more likely that Ethereum will perhaps, I mean, right now our top is around 2140. We might shoot up to levels like 2150, 2175 if you take a look at the past, excuse me. You can see that all of those levels are quite respected, especially 2150, but 2170, that kind of area as well. So we might spike up there, but I do not expect that bullish breakout for now. I just don't see a reason for why we would have that now. See, next week, if we have the interest rate, that type of things, then we actually have some sort of a catalyst. But for now, we've had our catalysts. The market is still bullish, but you need some sort of influx of bullish momentum. I think, at least, I could be wrong, but I think to break through that. So right now we're bullish. I think we can keep that bullish momentum up to this level, ultimately between 2125 and 2175. But from there, I do expect that we'll find resistance, and that will stay in this consolidation between ultimately 2025 and 2175. And then at some point, if we get some great news, if the dollar strength index falls a lot, if we get some just irregular bullish news for crypto, then we can get up to that 2200, 2225 level and perhaps even break above that. But for now, I do not see that happening. But again, I could be wrong. But I'll at least keep you updated on Ethereum and everything you need to know around it. For now, this is my analysis and take on it. So if you do have any questions, if you want to discuss anything, I'm always open for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.